campus store here at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. I'm using my phone because my battery died on my TX30. However, we're going to use my iPhone 14. It is coming down, and it should be here in a moment. Someone may be using it. This, not sure what this big box up above my head is.
Yep, here it is.
It's one chime for down, though.
If there's a fire, a door goes over it to prevent the fire from spreading.
Get that white thing right there.
Excuse us.
Another one. All right, start off at 1 first.
Oh, lockouts, that's interesting.
Yep, floor lockout switches, yep. Apologize for the poor camera handling. My hand has got a water bottle in it right now. This is elevator number 2, capacity 2,500 pounds. And someone maybe.
Oh, 3 works.
It does work.
This is a nice bookstore.
It is. And then I'll show you the one I was talking about if we get off on 3.
Here, we'll let this gentleman get off here.
Alright, we'll just get off here.
3's unlocked, you guys.
3's unlocked, Alex.
I know.
Oh, it's gonna.
Thank you.
He's coming?
Nope, let go. Just
Okay.
let it do its thing. It's gonna nudge here, so
Alright.
I don't think he's coming.
Cab's nice, or not bad. Pretty basic.
It is basic. It is very basic, and I've written this before. Installed in 2003. There's Alex right there.
There's Luke.
Yep, and there's Alex JL. Alright. And that's gonna be it.